Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. I believe you are fine. Today's tutorial is very interesting. I'll be sharing with you guys how I made a Bubu Kaftan dress with ruffle side design that looks like pockets. That's a twist, and I want you to learn how to make this. Is a smart move if you don't have enough material to make a pocket. Please subscribe, like, share with your friends, and comment what's the best lesson you have learned recently. You can drop it in the comment section. Kindly turn notification bell to get to see my next video upload. Hey, don't go anywhere. Keep on watching and let's get started. This is my 1.5 fabric that I'm going to use for this stylish Bubu Kaftan dress that we are making today. I folded my fabric already into 4 pieces. So I'll be measuring my width, and my width is by 12 inches. So I folded my fabric by 12 inches. So I'll go ahead now to take the length of my Bubu Kaftan dress. So it's by 38 inches. So that's the measurement for my length. So after that, I'll go ahead now to take the neck measurement, and it's by 3.5 inches. So that's my 3.5 inches for my neckline. Then I'll go down by 3 inches. So I'm taking it down by 3 inches. Then I'm going to also give a curve. That's for the depth of my neck. So I'm going to also mark 1.5 inch for the depth of my back neckline. So I'll also give a curve. So guys, keep on watching this particular tutorial because you are going to see a twist of what we are going to do now. So I'm measuring my shoulder by 8 inches. So that's my shoulder, which is by 8 inches. Then I'll give a straight line to connect the measurement together. So my bust, I'm going to measure 48 inches for my bust. Okay, so that's my bust, which is by 48 inches. So you know it's a free dress that we are making. It's a Bubu Kaftan, so that's why my measurement is like this. Then from my shoulder to my under bust, I'll be measuring 14 inches. So on my under bust measurement, that's where I'm going to get my waist measurement, and it's by 46 inches. So my waist is by 46 inches. Then I'm going to slope my shoulder by 1 inch. Then I'm going to use my ruler to slope it down, as you can see me doing in the video now. Right now, I'm going to give a curve for my armhole, and it's by 2 inches. Then I'm going to also use my ruler to curve my armhole. Don't forget my armhole curve is by 2 inches. So you can see my style is very unique and simple to cut. So after that, I'm going to connect all the lines together. So I'm starting from my bust. So I'm going to just connect them together. So after connecting it, then I'm going to go ahead and just cut it out. So you can see that the style is very simple to cut out. So I'll employ you to keep on watching this particular tutorial to the end, because you are going to see a twist of what we are going to do, how we are going to add our ruffle that will serve as a pocket, and we are not going to cut any extra fabric to attach as a pocket. We are going to use a ruffle to do that. So I want you to sit back and enjoy this video to the end. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is the time for you to subscribe. Just click the red button under my video to subscribe, and you can share this tutorial also with your friends and loved ones. Also ask them to watch my video to the end. Give this video a thumbs up so that other people can see it and watch, and also learn from this tutorial that we are making today. I want to really have a conversation with you guys. Guys, you can drop this in the comment section. What's the best lesson you have learned recently? So I want to learn also from you. So guys, I'm still cutting my fabric. So after this part, we are going to learn how to attach the ruffle on the pocket side. Is a pocket is going to serve as the pocket for this outfit that we are making. So I want you to sit back and continue to watch this video to the end so that you can see how we are going to place our ruffle that is going to serve as a pocket for this dress that we are making. It's a Bubu Kaftan dress that we are making today. Is a trendy style that I want you to learn how to cut. So that's why I'm making this video, for you to watch and learn how to make these styles that are trending. It's a trending style that is trending in Africa. It's trending in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Tanzania, and other parts of Africa country. And today I'm making use of Duchess fabric. You can make use of Ankara fabric or any fabric of your choice. You're going to also achieve the same thing that we are using this Duchess fabric to make now. So I'm through with my cutting. Now I have my black fabric that is going to serve as a ruffle, and this is what I'm going to use to place as a pocket for the dress that I'm making today. Okay, so I folded it by 2 inches and the length is by 36 inches. Okay, so after that, you can see I've ironed it out, so I'm going to head over to run a stitch on it. I've gone to the machine to run a straight stitch on it, and also gathered my black fabric. So I'm measuring from my half length by 15 inches, from my shoulder to my half length by 15 inches, and that line that I mark 15 inches, that's where I'm going to place my tape, and also mark 7 inches to the point that I want the ruffle to stop. So this is how to place it on the half length area. You can see to that point that I mark 7 inches. So this is how you are going to do it when making your own. So I'm going to pin it round. I'm going to also do it at the other side of my fabric. It's going to serve as the pocket for my style. You can see the twist. I hope you have learned something new from today's tutorial. So after this part, I'll head over to my machine and stitch it together very well, and my dress will be ready, guys. So I'll keep on doing it like this. I'm going to place it at the other side of my fabric. So this is how it's going to serve as a pocket for my outfit that I'm making today. Don't forget I made use of 1.5 yards of this sky blue Duchess fabric. It's a unique style that is trendy, and I wanted to learn how to cut it. So that was why I made this video for you guys to watch and see how to make this unique style that is trendy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you learned something new after watching this video. What's one of the best ideas you have come up with? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching today's tutorial.